Yes, is present in only a continuous, right? That's the word. Because if you like, if you see it in a center, that's why you are going to see the word. You get, the man always bring it like that. Is only in A or only in B or both. Do you get it? Is only in A or only in B or what? Both. If they want to bring the definition for you in E center, that's how they bring it. You go and choose another thing. Or both. Or both. So number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B, then plus what? Number of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B. Yeah, you now write it like this mathematically. Number of A union B equals to number of A, or in probability means plus, abi? Plus number of B plus what? N open bracket A intersection what? Intersection B. Two sets A and B are said to be union if the members or the sets, anyone, are only present in A or only present in B or both. So mathematically, number of A union B equals to number of A plus number of B plus what? Number of A intersection B. So full stop. So you already, from this page you already know the symbol for union, ba? So the second one, which is what? Intersection. Intersection of the set. Intersection of a set, right? It is denoted as this. It's denoted as this, like N or something. It is denoted as this, and it is divided, as the elements, you cannot put S inside that element, as the elements that is common to both A and B. Thank you. To both A and B. An element that is common to both A and B. So mathematically, you just collect letter from this place. If your A union B is expressed like this, so that means number of A intersection B, right, will be equals to number of A plus number of B, right, minus number of what? A union what? Union B. Yes, because this formula you'll be using it to solve this formula. They will give you number of A, number of B, number of A union B. They will ask you to find number of A intersection B. So some of you just be using Venn diagram. Just go and draw Venn diagram instead of it, just use formula direct and get your answer. Are you following? So know the two. The next one, universal set. Universal set. All of you know the meaning of universal now? This is a set. This is a set that comprises the member in set A. That comprises the member in set A.
This is a set.
The set that comprises the member in set A and set B.
Remember.
This is a set that comprises what? The members in what? In set A. Let's say you have A equals to A, B, C, D. Yes. B, C. So this is the member. That this is the what? Set that comprises the what? Member in set A and set B. And the members that are not in set A and set B. Because you have to know the difference between universal set and union set. Most of people don't understand the difference between them. And the members that are not in set A and set B. And the members that are what? That are not in set A and set B. Normally, they might give us universal set. This is the symbol for universal set. This is the general one. There is also this symbol like this, like epsilon. You get, but this is the common one. You get, like what's the name in physics? Mu, right? Coefficient of static friction. So they might give you the universal set to be A, B, C, D, E, F. You get. You can see that this universal set, it comprises of the elements in A and the elements in what? In B. And those members that are not in what? A and B. Because E and F, they are not in what? A and B. But they are in what? Universal sets. Right? So universal set will comprise of the elements that are in A and B and also the ones that are not there. But union set only comprise of the what? Members in what? A and B. So they ask you to find A union B now. You are still joining it together. You just say A, B, C, D. Is that not? There's A here, there's A here, Abi. You write one. There's B here, there's B here. You write one. There's C here, there's C here. You write one. Then the D. Union means you are joining them together, but you don't write them twice, Abi. So A union B. You can see that your A union B just comprises of what? The elements in A and B only. You understand? So, but universal set will comprise of what? The elements in set A and set B, and the elements that are not in what? Set A and what? Set B. That's the difference. Then the last one. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. This is defined. This is defined as the members or elements. This is defined as the members or elements that are in universal sets. That are in universal sets. That are in universal sets. Are you following? This is defined as the elements or members that are in universal sets but are not in a particular set itself. Are you getting the point? They are in universal sets but are not in what? Particular set itself. The English is clear? Okay. Now, don't worry, it will be clear now. It is symbolized as this, like apostrophe or something. You get? Or small c like this. Sometimes we use this small c like this. You get? At the power of any set. And sometimes we use like a prime. A prime. You get? So something like this. A prime. or A complement. But this one that is common is what? The prime. Abi? Now from the definition of complement that I said these are the what? Elements or members that are in universal set. Abi? But they are not in a particular set itself. So look at this. I want to find a complement. So what are the elements that are in universal sets that are not here? That's the meaning. The meaning is simple. Is what? EF. That's your complement. So all those definitions I'm giving you because sometimes in Math 101 they do test for definitions. They ask you definitions. It might not be universal set, it might be another thing. But out of all the times, they must ask you your definitions. So you don't know the definitions of each. So that's a problem. And it's always a bonus if you know the definitions of each term. So the elements that are in that set but are not in particular set you are considering. So now like this, if I want to consider B now, let's say I want to find the complement of B, Abi. So to just be, what are the elements that are in that set that are not in B, Abi? So what are the elements? D, E, F. That's your complement. D, E, F. That's all. Are you following? So notes is very important. A complement. Any set, if you are finding the complement twice, it always return you back to the set itself. You find the complement of a particular set twice, it will what? To turn you back to what? To the set itself. Are you following? So now like this, let me test for this. A prime, Abi. You want to find the prime twice, Abi? You know we have already found the A prime here, Abi. Our A prime is what? EF, Abi. Let's find the prime again. What are the elements that in that set that you can see in A prime? A, B, C, D. What do you have back? Your A, Abi. So A, B, C, D, which is your original A. So you find the complement twice to give you back the original set. Are you following? Alright. Then I think that's all the stuff back. So the last thing that because I can see this sun is disturbing you guys, but you just start to don't be lazy by now. You get? Don't be lazy by now. You have not done 4 hours class now. You have not been doing online physical classes now, Abi. So I don't see any reason why you'll be doing tutorial of 1 hour 30 minutes and you'll be looking like this. When you are doing your hostess is money, chilling. Or the ones you can do is maybe complete your registration and stuff. You went for practical today. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you have reason. Yeah. But it's not enough. It's not enough. So you already know that as you are leaving your home, you are here to what? To give it all it takes. That you have good grades. You understand? So normally I don't take online level tutorial again. I've taken online level tutorial now. Last. Maybe when I was in 3 level. That was when I take online level tutorial last. Then I could remember last semester. My 500 level second semester, when I was the president of Ilorin Emirates Students Union, I took our Ilorin Emirates students, I took them Math 1-1 calculus. I think that's since my 300 level, that's the last time I took 100 level tutorial. I don't take 100 level tutorial again. If they are not from 300 level above, I don't take tutorial again. So I take chemical engineering courses from 300 level to 500 level. You understand? So even as I'm coming today, I don't even, you see, I'm just asking you the topic you are doing, right? So just that you need to know what you are doing. If you are in engineering or you are in any department, especially chemical engineering, don't disturb yourself. If you learn any course on level and you forget in your 200 level, you suffer in 200 level. Yes. So when you learn course in 100 level, don't do mistake and forget it. But when you are doing engine math in 200 level like this, all this math that you are doing, you still be needing them. I don't know whether you do statistics again. You do statistics. in second semester, but I don't know whether they are doing it again. All this theory that you are doing in first semester, you use it in your statistics in your second semester oil level. But if you are not doing statistics again, that's good. You get. So, and if you are doing calculus in your second semester, all those calculus as an engineering student, you'll be doing it till you graduate. So that's when most people do find it difficult. You do calculus in your own level, just reach one level. You'll be doing engine math, you know, remember the calculus you are doing on your level. So now start to be learning differentiation again, start to be learning integration again. So please, if you are an engineer especially, I don't know, other departments, maybe you are in FSC or something, you might be doing all this in calculation now, maybe by your 20 level, you not do it again. Just study that you'll be reading, maybe you are in school of Agric. But if you are an engineer, you don't disturb yourself or don't deceive yourself. You get. You are learning anything now, don't do mistake and forget, you will suffer it. But you have to learn it back, which is you are doing two works. You understand? So don't just see that maybe this person that is taking us is no, I don't take oil level tutorial again. I prefer sending oil level students to BSG. Make them do the tutorial for them down, me take oil level tutorials. But I see that okay, it's just an opportunity that okay, I come for convocation, let me just help you guys. Last week, Saturday, I took 3 level chemical engineering in Laplace transform. You get, I took them here, same class. So please know what you are doing. You are still in another level. So don't just learn a code and think that after that for semester, one guy, I don't forget to guy, don't go, no, don't let it go. So now the last thing that I will take you through is all these laws of set theory. I will take you through